Hi everyone, this is Massimo Bottura, chef of Osteria Francescana. We are in Modena, Casa Maria Luigia. In the entrance, a sculpture, Il Babbo, looking at you and he's saying, hey, remember, you are in Modena and this is the place for tradition. Don't screw up because I'm looking at you. 2 ice cream up there. Extremely, respectful. Pistachios and chocolate. Strawberry and lemon, exactly as the flavor that I was picking when I was a kid. But they are in the wrong place. So this is the way we look at tradition. We look at tradition 10 kilometers away, filtered by a contemporary mind. I'm never nostalgic, always critic, to get the best from the past into the future. We are in the heart of the hall of Casa Maria Luigia, and the first thing you see is a table for gold tortellini. 1968, Giuliano della Casa, the color is the color of the handmade egg pasta. And the table in which you roll the tortellini is a very special wood board made with radica di noce. Table for the unexpected guest. These are the extension. The extension are here. The table is not finished, but you always have to be ready for the unexpected guest. Here you have Ai Weiwei. Ai Weiwei with a 2,000 years old vase in his hands. He's dropping the 2,000 years old vase. But this is not a vase for me. I don't see a vase here. I see the Italian cuisine. I see the tradition. All the pieces of a 2,000 years old vase on his feet. I'm not defeating my past. I'm breaking my past to build my future. That's exactly what we do in the kitchen. This is the only way to keep tradition alive. And here, there's one of the most important piece of art. Yellow monochrome, made by Carlo Benvenuto. Carlo Benvenuto is my personal favorite artist in the whole world. Wow, I said something very special, Carlo? So Carlo is telling me what? Culture. And to me, the most important ingredient for the chef of the future is culture. With culture, you can express yourself and create an idea to use it to create your food. Otherwise, it's just a good food. But what we do in our restaurant is much more than good food. There's social gesture, there's so many things that are connected with our food. Juan Cruz created this table. A table that is made in glass. And everything is about fragility. A piece of art that really influences every single social gesture that I do in defense of nature, in difesa della natura, by Joseph Beuys. My biggest inspiration. A plate, a piece of art, a car, could be a social gesture. Everything could be a social gesture. Grandmothers abandoned in their apartments and kids with genetic syndrome that are the two most marginalized part of the society, you put in the center of the society and they are making tortellini every day. And the tortellini are coming and floating in the air. This is JR, is writing Pasolini. Quando saranno morti tutti i contadini, tutti gli artigiani, quando non ci saranno più le lucciole, le api e le farfalle, quando l'industria avrà reso inarrestabile il ciclo della produzione, allora la nostra storia sarà finita, quando il mondo classico sarà esaurito. Don't think about changing the world, but do your own things in your everyday life. If you can change your neighborhood, you're gonna live an amazing life. So just act. But the whole thing, you can do it if you do it together, if we stay together. Because the revolution is not me, it's not you, but we are the revolution.